Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make a DIY teleprompter using a 2-liter empty plastic ice cream container. So this is what I have. This is a 2-liter ice cream container. It's plastic. So this is a square size. And you also need a small piece of glass. I have this small piece of glass. You can see the size comparison here. So this glass came off a small photo frame. Okay, now let's get on to it. This is the ice cream container, and the phone will sit like so, and the mirror will go like so. That will be our design for this DIY teleprompter. So I'm going to mark the side here about 1.5 centimeter, probably around there. And same with the other side. So one is this side, the other one is this side. 1.5 centimeter from the base. One side and the other side. And then this will go like so. So right here will be right here. So there will be a great angle for this glass here, right up to here. And then we'll just draw a line. And then to the other side, just use this. Okay, so that angle is about 60 degrees. So right here is 60 degrees. Okay, right here. And then 60 degrees right here. Let's check. Oh, we got wrong angle there somehow. So this side is about 60 degrees, 62 degrees, 62 degrees. Okay, we'll try this again. Or we'll just use the glass. From here ends, and it ends right here. Yes, that will fit. And now, basically, we're gonna insert this glass into the container. So grab your cutter and then cut this black line, the width of this glass, but make it slightly wider than the thickness of this glass. This is really tricky, but you have to do it. Easier with a pair of scissors. Just cut this away. Oh yes, righto, that fits. Now let's do the same to the other side. Righto, that fits now. Let's see if both will fit to the other side. I have to tidy up on this side. Try it again. Right, here we go. That fits. So then the phone will just go right here, but then we need to make another hole for the camera lens right here. So I'm going to grab my camera. So to make the cut even straighter, I'm going to run my cutter just along here. That is much nicer now. So that looks like that. The phone goes right here, and then now I have my camera. So the next step is we're going to make a hole for this lens to go inside. So it's about around here. Probably right here. So I'm happy for the lens to go at this height. I'm going to mark it. Because we're gonna make that hole. But I'm going to make the hole just slightly wider than the actual lens. Be careful with the cutter, don't cut yourself. This is really, really tricky. Scissor. Right. I'm gonna tidy up the edges. Okay, now since the size of my glass is just wide enough for my ice cream container and it keeps on falling off, put a little bit of tape just to keep the glass in place. Just using a little bit of packaging tape, just a little bit on the side here. And then I'll do the same to the other side. Now, my glass is fully secure now. And then phone will go right here. And then camera will go like so. Now, let's put all this at the right height where we can actually see the teleprompter working. So I'm going to quickly mix up some black paint. This is actually just acrylic paint, but that's all I have. So I'm going to paint the ice cream container black. Okay, now I let the paint dry overnight. So the inside of my container is now all black. And I also put the mirror back in. And I'm going to put the phone like so. Now can you see the reflection there? Okay, let's start this teleprompter. Okay, there's a little bit of pause there. Okay, now let's put this teleprompter to the test. I'm going to put this teleprompter in front of my normal camera, which I will show you right now. Okay, so that's my camera on its tripod, and on the left and right are my DIY lamps, and that's the teleprompter. I'm going to put that aside, and I have a couple of boxes. I'm going to put this teleprompter right here. I'm going to position it so that that camera lens will go inside the hole. Okay, let's have a look from the side. That's the side view. My phone goes right there, and then we're gonna start this. Okay, it looks like I can't quite read it, so I'm going to cover the whole thing with black cloth. Now I can see my teleprompter. Okay, so now it's recording. The camera is recording. I'm going to put this black cloth back. Right, and then I'm going to restart this. Save and start. Okay, now I'm going to restart the teleprompter and see what it looks like. Hi me girls, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, the 8th of April 2020 at So today is day number 14 of the lockdown here in New Zealand due to COVID-19. Wow, I can't believe we are nearly at the end of the first 2 weeks of this lockdown, so 2 more weeks to go. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you again the working of my DIY teleprompter. Okay, I am going to start this teleprompter. Press save and start, and it's going now. This is the view from where I'm sitting. Now you can see the wordings there being reflected on the glass. There's a little bit of pause there. There it goes again. So earlier today I spent a few hours rewatching my first online lesson in web design. So yeah guys, so that was my DIY teleprompter. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!